Alright, imagine a world where financial literacy is taught from an early age, where young minds grasp the power of saving, spending wisely, and investing for their future. Sounds like a dream, right? But how do we bridge the gap between that ideal and the reality for our youth? Specifically, when it comes to a financial institution like BluPeak, do they actually cater to the next generation of money managers? Do they offer accounts for minors or students? Think about it. We teach our kids to read, to write, to solve complex mathematical equations. We encourage them to pursue their passions, whether it's coding or playing an instrument. But how often do we sit down and truly educate them about the practicalities of money? The concept of interest, the importance of a budget, the pitfalls of debt, these are critical life skills that are often overlooked. And that's where institutions like BluPeak can play a pivotal role. For years, the financial world has often seemed like an exclusive club, accessible primarily to adults with established credit histories and significant assets. But that perception is slowly changing, driven by a growing recognition that financial education needs to start much earlier. The goal isn't just to get kids to open an account, but to equip them with the confidence and competence to manage their own financial well-being as they transition into adulthood. So, let's dive deep into what BluPeak offers, specifically addressing the burning questions. Do they have accounts tailored for the younger demographic? What are the benefits? What are the requirements? And most importantly, how can these accounts serve as a foundational stepping stone for a financially secure future? Let's start with the minor accounts. Because let's face it, teaching kids about money from a young age can feel a bit like teaching them calculus, daunting, perhaps even a bit abstract. But when you give them a tangible place to put their money, where they can see it grow, where they can track their deposits and withdrawals, it suddenly becomes very real. And that's where BluPeak steps in with their youth savings account. Yes, BluPeak absolutely offers accounts for minors. Their youth savings account is specifically designed for younger savers, aiming to teach kids about money in a practical, hands-on way. Imagine a child excitedly depositing their allowance, then logging in with a parent to see their balance increase, perhaps even earning a little bit of dividend. That's interest in grown-up terms. This isn't just a piggy bank with a bank logo, it's a stepping stone to understanding real-world financial concepts. One of the key features of BluPeak's youth savings account is its accessibility. It has a minimum opening balance of just $25. This low barrier to entry is crucial. It means that almost any child, with a little help from their parents or guardians, can begin their financial journey. It's not about having a significant sum of money to start with, it's about starting the habit of saving, no matter how small the initial amount. Another important aspect is that these accounts are dividend paying. This means the money held in the youth savings account will actually earn a return, demonstrating the power of compounding. For a child, seeing their money grow without having to do anything extra can be a powerful lesson in the benefits of saving and investing. It demystifies the idea of money making money and turns it into a tangible experience. Now, while the account is designed for the minor, there's a crucial element of parental involvement. For minors under the age of 18, a person of majority age, typically a parent or legal guardian, must be a joint owner on the account. This isn't just a formality, it's a built-in safeguard and an opportunity for active financial education. Parents can guide their children, monitor their activity, and use the account as a teaching tool to discuss budgeting, financial goals, and responsible spending. It creates a collaborative environment where financial literacy is a shared journey, not just a lecture. The process of opening a youth savings account with BluPeak is also made relatively straightforward. You can typically do it at a branch, where a representative can walk you through the process, or in some cases, via secure documents sent through the mail. This flexibility aims to make it as convenient as possible for families to get their children started on the path to financial responsibility. But what happens when these younger savers grow up a bit? What about students who are heading off to college, perhaps living on their own for the first time, needing more robust banking solutions? This is where BluPeak continues to cater to the evolving financial needs of young individuals. BluPeak also offers banking options specifically tailored for students. Their student checking account is designed with college students in mind, recognizing their unique financial needs and challenges. Moving away from home, managing tuition and living expenses, and navigating a newfound independence all require a reliable and accessible banking solution. The student checking account is free, which is a significant advantage for students often on tight budgets. There are no monthly maintenance fees, provided you opt for statements. This eliminates a common financial burden that many traditional checking accounts carry, allowing students to keep more of their hard-earned money. Starting a student checking account is also easy, with an opening deposit of just $25. This again reflects BluPeak's commitment to accessibility, ensuring that students aren't deterred by high initial deposit requirements. So, for both minors and students, BluPeak seems to understand the importance of fostering financial literacy and providing appropriate banking tools. For the youngest members of the family, the Youth Savings Account offers a gentle introduction to saving and earning dividends, with parental guidance built into the process. As these young individuals mature and head off to college, the student checking account provides practical, no-fee banking that aligns with their evolving needs. And for those pursuing higher education, the array of student loan options, coupled with responsible borrowing advice, demonstrates a comprehensive approach to supporting their academic and financial futures. It encourages parents to have those vital conversations about money with their children, to teach them about budgeting, about the difference between needs and wants, and about the power of compound interest. It provides a safe and structured environment for young people to make their first forays into managing their own money, learning from experience, and building confidence. Ultimately, BluPeak's offerings for minors and students reflect a forward-thinking approach to banking, one that recognizes the importance of early financial education and sustained support throughout different life stages. They are not just looking at immediate transactions but at building long-term financial health for their members, starting from a very young age. This commitment to nurturing financial literacy from the ground up is commendable and incredibly valuable in today's complex economic environment. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.